Hi teachers, I'm going to show you how to quickly get started in Remind. And I'm sure you already know the gist of Remind. It is what our district has mandated to be the only accepted and supported app for communicating with the parents. So you've seen it, but I know you all haven't started using it because you have lots of questions. So I'm going to get right into it. When you first log in, you have a lot of classes over here. And I think some of you have 5 classes, 6 classes, and you only teach one. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of the ones you don't need. Now, I'm going to tell you that mine's going to look a little bit different because I have used Remind in the past, but everything, the flow, the steps that I take are going to be the same for you. So you do not need all of these classes. You only need one class that you teach. So yours probably says homeroom, ELA, math, science, and so on. Most teachers choose the homeroom to be their class, but you can pick any one that you want. Again, it does not matter. So the name of my class is going to be Camp Thunderbird Trip. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these other classes because I don't need them. To account settings, and you're going to see that I have some archived classes, and that's what we're going to do with all of those extras. Now, you're not going to have any archived classes, but I have some. We're going to go straight down to the bottom, and it's going to show us our current classes, and we are going to go ahead and archive them all. So go ahead and do that. You want to remove them. Now, don't remove your current class or the class you want to keep. Just get rid of the ones that you do not want. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get parents to join. So I want you to go over here to settings, and you are going to look at your class code. Your class code is what your parents are going to put in to join. You're going to have a string of letters and numbers. I suggest you change it to something they can remember easily. It has to be fewer than 10 letters. So mine says Camp Thund for Camp Thunderbird. So maybe you would pick something like, I would put Parker Merit. So when the parents get the invitation, it's going to say Parker Merit. It's from Mrs. Parker Merit. So it's something they can remember quite easily and just plug it in. Another thing you can do if you want, you can change the avatar. Mine's an apple. And let's say I want the calculator. It's pretty easy. Just click save. You can see it changed over there. So right now you might have a lot of people listed in your people because PowerSchool has automatically put them in there. When you look down the list of names, I'm sure you don't know who they are. For example, I have no idea who this is. I know it's a parent because PowerSchool has put them in as a parent. So once I find that out, I'm going to show you something that you can do. When you click on the parent's name, you can go over here and add a private note, and I'm just going to make up a name. I'm going to put Johnny's mom. So since it was a private note, it automatically will save, but nobody can see that except you. So when you go into the people, now when you see Jessie F, you're going to see that it's Johnny's mom. So that's pretty easy. So the next thing you want to do, if you have people here, you want to add people, and I'm going to show you what you can do here. If you want to send home paper in their folder, you just go to printable PDFs, you download it, and it's going to automatically pop up for you. And you can see there is a join code. So you can print this out, make copies, and send it home for everybody. When the parents join, their names will pop up, and you can go in and do the same thing. And that's it.